Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to upload guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video data guys. Infinix phone lock screen sound guys. How can we on and when how can we use it? Friends, we want to on guys your Infinix phone lock screen sound. So how can you on today friends? We will talk about. So first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will click on guys our phone sound and vibration, and guys again scroll it. Friends, you can see guys phone screen locking sound guys. We will on from here. After guys, how can we use screen lock sound setting? So when you will lock your phone and when you will unlock your phone, so friends you can see guys this lock sound and guys unlock sound. So like that guys, you can on and guys you can use guys your Infinix phone lock screen sound setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on and use lock screen sound setting in Infinix phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.